Open the Easy Tools software. Go to the search section and type in your camera's serial number. Click on the web browser and it'll direct you to the browser where you can log in using the default password, which is 123456. You can see the live, then go to the setup section. And then intelligence section, where other perimeter protection is available with intrusion. Click on intrusion. Then draw your detection zone by clicking points around the area you want to monitor. By default sensitivity is 50, you can change it how you like it. Choose what to detect, select motor vehicles, pedestrians, or both based on your needs. Go to Trigger Actions and choose the alarm sound you'd like and configure your alarm sound to repeat the number of times you want it. Or customize your preferred hours. You can set the day and night mode according to your preference. Click OK. Then set your flashing light duration to how many ever seconds you like. Create custom schedules for alerts. Set the times when you want them active. Next, click the Plan tab, enable it, and create your weekly schedule. Blue areas mean your camera is armed and watching, white areas mean it's off. Finally, click Save to apply all settings. And it'll appear on the live section. That's it, your smart camera now automatically detects intruders.